Hey there, fellow foodies. Are you a culinary enthusiast who loves experimenting with unique flavors in your kitchen? Imagine being able to grow your own fresh, delectable mushrooms right at home, ready to elevate your dishes to new heights. Well, with mushroom grow kits, this dream can become a reality. In this article, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about these fantastic kits designed specifically for culinary enthusiasts like us. What are mushroom grow kits? So, you might be wondering, what exactly are mushroom grow kits? Well, they are convenient, all-in-one packages that contain everything you need to cultivate your very own mushrooms. These kits are carefully designed to provide an optimal environment for mushroom growth, making the process accessible and enjoyable for beginners and experienced cultivators alike. Culinary mushroom varieties. When it comes to mushroom grow kits for culinary enthusiasts, you'll find a wide range of options to suit your taste buds. From classic favorites like shiitake and oyster mushrooms to exotic varieties such as lion's mane and porcini, there's a kit available for every flavor profile you desire. Imagine having a constant supply of fresh, organic mushrooms right at your fingertips. Why choose mushroom grow kits? Using mushroom grow kits has several advantages, especially for culinary enthusiasts. Convenience and simplicity. One of the greatest benefits of mushroom grow kits is their convenience and simplicity. These kits come with pre-inoculated substrate, which means the mushroom mycelium, the root-like network of the fungus, is already present in the growing medium. You just need to follow the instructions, provide the right conditions, and watch your mushrooms flourish. Year-round availability. With mushroom grow kits, you can enjoy fresh mushrooms all year round. They provide a controlled environment, allowing you to bypass seasonal limitations and have a continuous supply of your favorite culinary mushrooms whenever your heart desires. Quality and flavor. By growing your own mushrooms using high-quality grow kits, you have complete control over the growing process. You can ensure that your mushrooms are organic, free from pesticides, and harvested at their peak flavor. The result? Exceptionally fresh and flavorful mushrooms that will take your culinary creations to the next level. FAQs question: how long does it take to grow mushrooms using a grow kit? A. The time it takes for mushrooms to grow depends on the variety you choose. Generally, you can expect to see your first harvest within a few weeks of setting up the kit. However, different mushroom species have varying growth rates, so be sure to check the instructions provided with your specific kit for more accurate timelines. Question: can I reuse a mushroom grow kit? A. While some kits may allow for multiple flushes or harvests, others are designed for single use only. It's essential to read the instructions provided with your kit to determine whether it can be reused. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.